Hello guys, this is Adam. I hope that you are doing good. Today, what I want to test is if we connected the M1 MacBook to an external display, would the performance be better or not? For the display, as you can see, the LG Ultrafine, and that is the 4K, and I will connect it through this cable right here. So right now I am testing the project, the factory environment, because this project is very demanding, so I wanted a project that is very demanding in order to see the results. I will go ahead and play this. So far we are getting 25 frames, but as soon as you start moving in such, we are in the 30 frames, and then it goes up higher than that. So right now we are at 34 frames, and we got to 40 and then 50, so we are stable at right now 46 frames. And if you want to see a full breakdown of this project, just go ahead and check the previous video that I did. Also, for the specs of this machine, we are working with 64GB of RAM, 32 core of the M1 Max, and then 8TB of SSD. So this is the full spec'd out MacBook Pro 16-inch. For the power profile, we have it as automatic, and I will be doing a video tomorrow in that regard, where we will be seeing if changing the power profile of the Max 16-inch MacBook Pro would make any difference or not. So far we are at 32, and then we will do that same run with the Mac connected to the external display. So now I did connect it to the external display, we got the thingy, and voila, I will just bring it down. I will see if having the monitor here or on the upper side it would make any difference. We are still getting 25 frames, and we are still getting the same frame rate going all the way there, and we are still in the 26. We got to 30s, which usually here we get to 30s, and then at the very end we should be able to get to 40 frames, and then right here we are at 40 frames, and it is the same. So what I will do, I will go back and then do that run again, but I will have it on the monitor that is above, and we will see if there is any difference. So we are still in the 25. Oh my goodness, the quality is amazing. And we are still in the 26, and we are still in the 28, and then going all the way to 30, 31. So what I will do, I will be in one spot where the frame rate is stable. So let's try to find a spot. So right now we are at 30. No, this still goes up and down. Reason you are not able to get a stable frame rate is just because it's real-time rendering. So while everything is moving outside, everything is being rendered real-time. Hello, our friend again. We came here because we would like to do a test, please. Okay, so this is as stable as it gets, and we are at 29 to 30. I will unplug that and see if we will get any difference. So the average right here is around 28. So the difference between connecting the screen and not connecting the screen is literally around 2 frames, and 2 frames is not that much. So we can say literally it's in the margin of error, which means connecting an external display or not, it doesn't even matter, because by the end of the day the performance will still be the same. Now there is an issue that my people some encounter, where if they would connect an external display through an HDMI port, it would have issues because of the limitation of the HDMI port that is inside the machine, because it's 2.0. I would think it's that, I could be wrong. However, if you want to navigate all of that and then have the issue fixed, just use an external monitor with a USB-C, and preferably a USB-C type 4 or a Thunderbolt, or bring an adapter that is Thunderbolt 4 or USB-C, and then connect to an external monitor if you are connecting through an HDMI.